With the winter holidays coming up, everyone and their mom are doing red glitter lips for Christmas, but what if you want your Christmas to be dark and spooky, you like goth aesthetics perhaps, and you want your new year to be macabre? Well, you know what? I'm here to help you out, because today we're doing a black glitter lippy. Wow! Let's start by priming the lips with a lip primer. Just like that. Oh, let me zoom in. Much better this way. Lip primer is not a mandatory step, however, I find that it really helps the lipstick to stay on longer and your lips just overall to feel better under the lipstick. Then apply your favorite black lipstick. All my products will be listed in the description box, and just apply it all over the lips. And your spooky Christmas makeup, your dark holiday look starts right here with this black lipstick applied carefully all over the lips, covering borders. Definitely don't forget the corners and the inner rim. It has to be really pigmented. I recommend using a black liquid lipstick because it will be more useful for what we have coming up on the next stages. If it is a little bit sheer, then just let the first layer set and apply a second one, but definitely let it dry down to matte. And while it's drying, you take a flat brush, it may be a lip brush or an eye brush, a glitter primer, and apply, a good quantity of it on the brush. Be generous here. Something like this. Now apply the glitter primer to both lips. Now here also apply the primer thoroughly all over your black lips. It doesn't have to be opaque, of course, it's just a primer. Once it sets, it won't really be visible. Make sure you use a flat brush like this because it will let you go into the corners and cover that border of the lips if you want glitter to be all over the lips and not just in the middle. Let the primer set for another few seconds. The most fun part, take a sinister black glitter and then a brush for the glitter. It just can be, a usual kind of fluffy eyeshadow brush, just not too big. Dip it inside, and start applying that glitter. What will work best for this kind of lip is of course a holographic black glitter, because this way you will get your dark and alternative Christmas makeup. Oh my god. At the same time, it is going to be sparkling with all the colors of the rainbow. It will be super attention grabbing. Everyone will be looking at your perfect lips, by the way. If you like alternative makeup, definitely subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell. Continue dipping your brush and applying the black glitter in tapping movements. If you have glitter where you don't want it, you can use a spoolie like this and kind of brush it off carefully off the parts of your face where it shouldn't have gotten. Continue going with the spoolie on these little particles of glitter, cleaning the spoolie off a tissue till you get your absolutely perfect, drop dead gorgeous black glitter lips for perfect spooky Christmas makeup. Sparkle like a black diamond with this lip. Getting a dark sparkly look for holidays is really easy. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you want more holiday makeup, there is plenty of it in this playlist. Lip art and full face. See you there. Bye!